Morning, all of you. Sports is a big part of our life and it has become a way of life for healthy and fit India. We celebrate the National Sports Day on 29th of August every year to mark the birth anniversary of legendary Indian hockey player Major Dhyanchand Ji, who put his stamp on international hockey arena, had raised our country to the pinnacle of glory. Today, he is considered to be best hockey player that India has ever produced. At the age of 16, following the footsteps of his father, Dhyanchand Ji joined the army. His outstanding performance in the army hockey tournaments and subsequently other Olympics. Dhyanchand Ji scored over 1,000 goals and won 3 Olympic gold medals in the field of hockey. He was a sportsman behind the compare. Today, amidst the global pandemic, we do celebrate the National Sport Day 2020 virtually to spread the awareness among the children to mold the healthy tomorrow and also to instigate the skill and talent of our children. It is a need of the hour to have a sound body in sound to fight against the immunity killers. This is the time to develop the prune healthy habits in our children. This big day reminds us of the prominence which we should pay for sports and other daily activities. Our government imparts 100% support with a variety of programs and schemes including Khelo India, Fit India Champion. One of the prominent activities which attracts one for 2020 is ongoing Freedom Run Champion scheduled from the 15th August to 2nd October. This venture is to mold the healthy nation divide of city, laziness, stress, anxiety and many other lifestyle diseases. In this unfamiliar and unnatural situation of the pandemic spread, it is very much needed to have a good health. Run with a Free Run Champion and upcoming series of sports activities get awarded with healthy body and mind. I hereby address all the parents to encourage your wards to participate in all the sports and games activities, and also I wish you to be a part of program by participating with your child. On this auspicious occasion, I should congratulate all the brains behind the endeavor of the virtual celebration of the National Sport Day a reality. I should congratulate each student of my region who is engaged in this venture, all the members of KVS Bangalore region. Sky is the limit. Never doubt yourself, stay focused, never let anything slow or stop from conquering your goals and making your dream happen. Let us all join together, build a healthy Indian for healthy tomorrow. Jai Hind.
So when the child is 7, 8 or 9 years, when they, depending on that aptitude, they can then easily adopt a particular sport and then come up in that sport. By indulging in sport, I'm not saying everybody will become champions, but sport will definitely help the child in better time management. They can take more responsibility and they will also be mentally and physically strong. So please ensure that your children are put through, even though we are going through this pandemic, there is absolutely no harm in the child indulging in good physical activity early in the morning. So the responsibility is towards the parents in implementing that. And all this will definitely help us in the coming years, and I'm sure this particular policy of the government, including sport, the education policy will go a long way for us, and it will help us come out as a very strong nation in sport. All the very best.